about trying. And eventually, I guess people help you with this kind of shit. But, like, I want to do it on my own. I want everything to be me. But when I do things... Since we're about to make a single pizza, and I did my makeup today. Can't really see them either. See, this is what happens. This is what happens. This is my layout. I got... Well, you can see my butt at least. This is my butt now. And the TikTok leggings. And what am I gonna do? I can't really do anything. Don't ever pull up on me and my son. But now I'm cute. And I got sleep. Because I've been working my ass off. You know how much I work? Too much. And I don't even make enough. Maybe it's because I'm stupid. Maybe it's because I'm ugly. I don't know. Maybe I should get Botox. But you know what I'm not? I'm not poor. I'm not poor. I could order food right now if I wanted to, but I'm not. I'm gonna cook something up like a chef.
We got the. Did you see what we did? We just put I bought a pre-made pizza dough. Now we just put some olive oil on it. Put it down to 450. Now we're gonna get some sauce here. Okay. What we're gonna do, Alyse? You can layer. You want to spread?
I do want to spread. But why don't you just kind of like do that?
Because I don't want a bunch. Whoa, 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 bro. That's a lot of sauce. Go, I'm trying to make the pizza and it will not even open, huh? What kind of mozzarella cheese is this, huh?
Big mucho.
No, you just have 5 motor skills, buddy. Congratulations, you're normal on the scale. I'm pretty sure I can just put this in the, directly on the oven.
I don't think it ever actually tells you not to do that, but it just implies that you should just put it on it.
Put on the rack if it's a frozen pizza with a pre-made crust, or a cooked pizza that you're reheating. So, directly on the rack.
Directly on the rack.
Can you open it for me, the oven?
Yeah.
And what we're gonna do, a pro tip. So we're gonna put this. You guys directly below it. We basically just want that to.
Uh-oh. I just looked at myself in the mirror.
What?
I'm hot. You guys think that Snowpiercer is the sequel to Willy Wonka? What? You think so?
I think it is.
I don't know when it turns off.
I guess you can keep pushing through and see what you have.
Like, what? Well, that's my thing. I already gave them the forewarning that apparently everything that I do sucks because of random bullshit. And alright, it's been a minute since I last saw you, but that's okay. My camera sucks and it just kept dying on me, I guess. Even though the battery said it was good, it said to charge. So you guys didn't get to see us eat the pizza, but the pizza was alright. It wasn't the greatest. Kind of depressing, but it's okay.
Alyse, look at this. They match. Look.
Oh, they do!
Vibes. That 70s vibe. Here you go.
Here you go. You can get it.
We should get these developed onto like DVDs so when we're old as fuck, we're like, oh damn!
The DVDs, man.
Dude, we can burn them on either of our parents' computers.
I know, bro.
I got CDs.
That
or DVDs.
Interstellar. Come on, Peter, make your face.
Make your funny face.
There it is.
Make your Chad face.
A Chad face?
Mm-hmm. Oh, dude.
Whip out your cock, wave it around, show dominance, piss all over everything.
Yeah.
It's yours
I'm for
Yeah,
it.
you gotta do that.
Man.
You have to smolder that, you know?
Hi, I'm Chad. I like natty lights and just about anything with titties on it. Yeah.
Titties!
Oh, no.
Titties! Here you go, guys.
I bet. I can't believe that you had the tickle bitties on the screen, and I was wondering, do you want to hit my joint? Dude, Peter, we're just
That
like
looks
you. We're videographers.
Great, we're gonna be homeless and we're gonna be unemployed. It's so hard to make a living. He's like, yeah, that's fine.
Ooh.
And I was like, fuck, you're probably gonna
Damn.
Liber.
Alright, I might have to turn up a little bit.
Your nails matching.
Hey, dude. Salt. Please. Sugar.
Sugar.
Sweet.
You like it?
I love it. It's really good. See the blood of the flawed individual searching for a nod from God. Finding the sign of the visible. Alright, here we go. Here we go.